This video outlines how Hilti can help you with ventilation applications in commercial buildings. Most ventilation systems comprise 5 phases: plant room, vertical shafts, backbone rectangular ducts, floor distribution round ducts, air outlets and inlets. Plant rooms are commonly found either on rooftops or on ground floors. When situated on the rooftop, the service pipes and air ducts are supported by freestanding goalposts. Small air conditioning units rest on light, rigid frames, while large ventilation and air conditioning units require heavy frames. In- and outlets are typically supported by multi-level frames. Another common location for plant rooms is the ground floor or basement. Frequent applications are ventilation unit multi-frame, switchbox frame, frames for inlets and outlets. In many retail buildings, instead of a plant room, the main ventilation unit hangs from the ceiling. In this scenario, the key applications are the frames supporting the unit itself and those bridging the distance between the building's structural girders. Most plant room and hanging applications are engineered, therefore proper calculation and documentation is needed. From the plant room, the air duct system typically ascends or descends through vertical shafts. In the case of rectangular ducts, angles with self-tapping screws can be used to transfer the loads onto the brackets. Alternatively, the load may also be transferred by resting air duct connection flanges on top of the brackets. Rounded ducts require a similar solution, most notably for bigger dimensions. The third phase commonly consists of backbone rectangular ducts. Frequently used solutions for this phase include trapezes on threaded rods, with various channels in between them to support the ducts. Trapezes on steel wire systems are another widespread solution. In some areas, ventilation Z or L hangers with self-tapping screws are often preferred. They can be equally supported by rods or wire systems. Floor distribution is the fourth phase. Here, the air ducts are mostly round in shape. Steel wire loops are the main support solution. Pipe clamps on threaded rods are also common. For this phase, some areas again rely on V-hangers with self-tapping screws. The last phase of ventilation systems are in- and outlets, as well as radiating units. Many of the inlets may not have their own support, so instead, they are embedded in the suspended ceiling. However, in- and outlets related to air conditioning require special solutions, including installing a dedicated bracket system for local outdoor air conditioning units. Yet another example for special in- and outlet solutions are hanging structures for heat curtains over entrance doors. Hilti also offers a comprehensive range of seismically resistant supports. Available variations of bracing include threaded rods, channels, and steel wire systems. Hilti's fire-resistant, ETA-compliant support solutions comprise a multitude of products for critical applications such as ventilation systems on escape routes, as well as smoke extractors. This allows designers to meet compliance with the latest EAD fire-resistant design guidelines. Here again are the 5 most important ventilation applications where Hilti can help. Plant room framing, vertical shaft air ducts, squared and rounded, backbone squared ducts, rounded floor distribution ducts, and various inlet and outlet solutions. Contact your local Hilti field engineer during early design for expert advice about design parameters.